Hi, my name is Ricky and I've been in Montessori education for 8 years now. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the Montessori Screw Board. This is a work that you'll find not only in our primary but our pre-primary classrooms as well. This is a work that helps children work on their hand-eye coordination while discerning which tool to use for which particular screw, as well as using their pencil grip to undo some of the work here. I'm going to demonstrate how to use this work. And that is just a few ways that this work can help build concentration, as well as a practical life example of a work that's used in day-to-day life, as well as building our pencil grip for the future. Thank you.